Hi, Dudu. Good morning, Dudu. Hi. Good morning. Oh, still sleepy? Still sleepy, Dudu? Not anymore. No. Okay, that's good. So make yourself comfortable, Dudu, and we will start. Okay. Now, let me share my screen, Dudu, and again, we will be naming these pictures, okay? Can you tell me again, Dudu? Wait, let me get my pen first. What's this, Dudu? It's it's a bear. Okay, it's a bear. Bear.
Beer.
Yes. Now, how about this one, Dudu? Can you remember this one? It's a horse. Horse. Yes, it's a horse. Horse, Dudu. Wait, let me write it, Dudu. Now, how about this one? What's this? It's a What do you think, Dudu? It starts with the letter L. L is for lion. Lion. Lion.
Die.
Yes, it's a lion, okay? Remember that one, Dudu? Now, what about this? What animal is it? Do you know, Dudu? What animal is it? It's a Can
Kangaroo.
Yes, kangaroo. That's correct, Dudu. Now, what about this one? What's this? It's a jet. Jet. Can you say jet? Jet.
Yep.
Yes. See, J is for jet. Okay, J is for jet. Now, what about this one, Dudu? What's this? It's a
Chef.
gorilla. It's a gorilla. Yes, can you say gorilla?
Korea.
Yes, that's correct, Dudu. This one is a gorilla. How about this one, Dudu? What is this? We talked about this one yesterday, right? Can you remember the name of the sea animal?
No.
It's an octopus. Octopus. Okay, octopus. 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 Now, how about this one, Dudu? What's this one?
You.
It's an umbrella.
Umbrella.
Yes, umbrella. Umbrella. Okay. Now, how about this? It's a Dudu. What do you think is this one, Dudu? Look, it's flying. What is it? It's a
You.
seal. Very good. It's a super seal. Now, what about this, Dudu? Mhm. Can you remember this one? Wolf. Okay, wolf. Now, what about this? How about this one, Dudu? It's a
Mm,
what is this, Dudu? It's a fox. 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 Dudu? What are you doing, Dudu? Are you playing? No? Okay, again, Dudu, what's this one? What do we call it? What do we call it, Dudu? It's a fox. Fox.
fox.
Yes. Okay, and what about this one? It starts with Z, Dudu.
E.
It's zip,
Hip.
zipper, zipper.
Bird.
Yes.
Eagle.
Oh, I see. That is why you are still sleepy. Sorry, Dudu. Now, again, Dudu, can you tell me again what this one is? It's a Dudu. Hi, Dudu. Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay. Can you tell me what's this, Dudu? It's a
Horse.
horse. Very good. How about this one? What's this?
N.
It's a la
Lion.
lion. Lion. Lion.
Lion.
Yes,
Lion.
lion. Very good, Dudu. Now, how about this one? K is for
Kangaroo.
yes, kangaroo. Now, how about this? What's this, Dudu? Hi, Dudu. What are you thinking, Dudu? Are you thinking about going to bed and sleep again?
Owl.
No. Did you eat, Dudu? Did you eat breakfast?
No.
No, not yet. I see. Did you drink water?
No.
know too. You should drink water, Dudu, after waking up. Now again, going back, can you tell me what's this? It's
Oh,
a jet, jet.
jet. Jet.
Again, yes, again, Dudu, what's this? It's a, what's this one again, Dudu? It's a
Jet.
jet. Very good. How about this one, Dudu? What do we call this thing? What's this? This one, what is it? It's
Uh,
an in, insect. Insect.
insect.
Yes.
Insect.
Very good, Dudu. Now, what about this one? What's this? It's a, it's a
It's
gorilla. Gorilla. It's a
gorilla.
yes, a gorilla, Dudu again. What's this, Dudu? What's this? It's a
Mink.
okay, it's a gorilla. Now, how about this one? You know this one? What's this, Dudu? Look, it's a mon
Monkey.
monkey. Okay. Now, what about this, Dudu? Can you remember this one? It's hmm, what do you think, Dudu? It's a
Mink.
peach. Okay, peach. 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 Yeah, that's right. Now what about this one, Dudu? She has a crown on her head, Dudu. A crown on her head. She is a
Hat.
queen. Queen.
King.
Yes,
King.
she is a queen, Dudu. Queen. Okay, now, how about this one? What is it, Dudu? It's a rabbit. Rabbit.
Grab.
Okay, rabbit. Now, Dudu, let us proceed first to your new book, okay? And we will go back to these pictures later. Okay, so now, Dudu, we will have this one. Okay, can you tell me, Dudu, what letter is it, Dudu? What letter is it? A. A. It's the letter A, Dudu. The uppercase looks like this. A, one, two, and 3. Okay. It's the letter A. Now, how about this one? Dudu, what's this? It's an
Peach.
Dudu. No, it's not a peach. It is an apple. Apple.
Apple.
Yeah. It's an apple. An angry apple, right? An angry apple. Now, let us have these pictures right here, Dudu. Okay, what's this, Dudu? What's this one? It's a cat. Cat, okay. A cat. Cat. Now, what about this one, Dudu?
Ant.
Very good. It is an ant. How about this one? It's a yak. 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 Can you say it again? Yak. Yak.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
and the last one, Dudu. What's this? Yes, that's right. We have the A here, right? A, the letter A. Yes, that's correct, Dudu. Can you tell me again? What's this one, Dudu? What's this? It's an axe. Axe.
Axe.
Yeah, that's correct, Dudu. Thank you. Again, cat. 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 Can you say cat?
Hat.
Ant. Ant.
Hmm.
Yak.
And
Yak. Yak.
yeah.
Axe. Axe.
Axe.
Okay, very good, Dudu. Again, can you tell me again? Can you tell me what's this, Dudu? What is it? It's a swan. It's a
Hat.
cat. Very good. How about this one? What's this?
Mm. Oh.
What's this, Dudu? Dudu? What's this one? It's an
No.
oh. What's this? What is it, Dudu? What is
Chin.
it? Ant. Ant. What's
And
this? Okay. Ant. Now, what's this? What's this?
what's this?
Yeah, what's
Orange.
this? It's a yak. Yak.
Yuck.
Yes. Yak. Yak. Now, how about this one, Dudu? It's an axe. Axe.
Axe.
Yes, that's
Axe.
correct, Dudu. Axe. Axe. Now, let us proceed first to the next one. And in here, Dudu, I want you to write it, Dudu. Like for example, we have, so we will write A and S, Dudu. Axe. Now, what's this one again, Dudu? It's a
Plant.
ant. Okay, ant. It's an ant. Can you write ant here? Write ant. Just like this. Ant.
Ant.
Yes, can you write that, Dudu? A N and D. Can you write?
No.
No. Why not? Where is your pen, Dudu? See, like this, Dudu, like this. A
A.
X, Dudu. Okay. Now, how about for this one? We have an ant. Ant. Can you write it here? Ant. Can you write
Ant.
it? Can you write it here, Dudu? Like this,
No.
Dudu. A. See, we have A and
A. N.
and T. Ant.
And
Ant.
T. Ant.
Yes, that's right. That is how we spell ant, Dudu. Now, what about this? What's this, Dudu? What's this one? It's a. It's a
Book.
cat. 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 Can you say cat? Cat.
Cat.
Okay, yes, very good. Cat. Can you write cat, Dudu? Can you write? Write cat. C A and T. Can you write cat? Write the word cat, Dudu.
By the word cat.
Yes, write the word cat. Here, Dudu, here. In here. Can you write C? C.
C. C.
C, just like this. Dudu writing, Dudu. C. A and T. Okay, cat. Now, last one, Dudu. Where are you going, Dudu? Okay, now make yourself comfortable first, Dudu. Okay, now, Dudu, can you tell me what's this?
Object.
It's
Object.
a yak. Yak.
Yeah.
Can you? Yes, it is a yak, Dudu. So we'll write Y A N K in the blank. Okay. Wait, let us name these pictures again, Dudu. Okay. Can you tell me what's this? What's this? It's an axe. Axe. Can you say axe? Axe.
Ox.
Okay, now how about this one, Dudu? It's an ant. Ant.
Ant.
How about this? It's a
Cat.
cat. Very good. And the last one, it's a,
Cat.
okay,
Cat.
yak, yak, yak. Okay, again, Dudu, let us go back to your other book and talk about the pictures here. Wait, can you tell me again, Dudu, what do we call this one? What's this, Dudu? It's a
Egg.
bear. Okay, it's a bear. Now, how about this one? What's this, Dudu?
Blue.
It's a dog. Okay, it's a dog. And what about this? It's a
Fish.
fish. Very good, Dudu. Next one now. What's this? What is
No.
it? It's an apple. Apple.
Oh,
Okay, an apple. What about this one, Dudu?
an apple.
Yes, the other one, the previous one, is an apple. Apple. How about this?
Apple.
This one, Dudu, this one. It's a cat. 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 It's a cat, Dudu. Okay, now how about this one? What's this?
Sheep.
This one, Dudu. What's this? It's an egg. 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 Yes. How about this one, Dudu? Can you remember this picture? What's this animal called? It's a horse. Horse.
Horse.
Yes,
Horse.
horse, Dudu. Now, what about this one? What do we call this? It's a lion. Lion.
Giant. Giant.
Yes, lion, Dudu. Now, what about this one? She is a she is a queen. Queen. Dudu.
这个也唱了，也唱了。
Dude, Dudu. Can you tell me, Dudu, what do we call her? What do we call her?
잠깐만.
Can you say queen?
Pink, pink, pink,
Yes, a queen. That's correct, Dudu. Now, how about this one?
pink,
This one, Dudu. It's a peach. Peach.
nose,
Peach. Peach.
pink,
It's a fruit, Dudu.
peach,
Yes. Peach is a fruit. Now, how about this one? It's a go.
or
Gorilla. Gorilla. Gorilla.
or
Yes, it's a gorilla, Dudu. Now, how about this one? It's a
red,
this one, Dudu. It's a kangaroo. Kangaroo.
kangaroo,
Yes, that's correct, Dudu. How about this one? What do we call it? It's a rabbit. Rabbit. Again, Dudu, I see that you are not still familiar with all of it. What's this one again? It's a bear. Okay, bear. Now, what about this one, Dudu?
hooked,
Horse, very good. That's right. What about her, Dudu? She is a She has a crown on her head, Dudu. She is a queen. Queen.
pink,
Yes, queen. Now, how about this fruit, Dudu? It's a. It starts with P, Dudu. P is for. P is for peach. Peach.
A for peach,
Yes, P for peach. That is right. Now, how about this one, Dudu? It's an. What is it? See, we have here the letter I. I is for insect. Insect. Insect.
ink,
Okay, insect, Dudu. Now, how about this one, Dudu? What do we call it?
kangaroo,
Very good, Dudu. What about this one? It's a
pig,
lion. Lion.
Lion.
Lion. Yes. How about this one, Dudu? We use it when it rains or if it's really sunny. What's this? It is an... What is it, Dudu? It's an umbrella. Umbrella.
Umbrella. Umbrella.
How about this one, Dudu? What's this? It's a... It starts with V, Dudu. It's a van. Van.
Van. Van.
Okay. Yes. Purple van. Now, how about this, Dudu? What is it? What do you think?
Nose.
It's an octo.
Octopus.
Octopus. Okay, yes, very good. Octopus. Now, what about this?
Octopus.
This one, Dudu. This one. It's a gorilla.
Gorilla.
Gorilla. Gorilla. Okay, yes. It's a gorilla, Dudu. Now, again, what's this?
Ant.
Lion. Lion. Lion.
Lion.
Yes, that one is a lion, Dudu. Okay, next one now, Dudu. Let us have these again. Okay, the first one, Dudu. What's this? It's a
Hit.
cat. Cat.
Hat.
Cat. How
Hat.
about this?
Neat.
It's an ant. Ant. Ant.
Ants.
How about this, Dudu? It's a...
Gorilla.
Not a gorilla, Dudu. It's a yak. Yak.
Yak.
Yes, and the last one, Dudu. What's this? Can you tell me? This one is an axe. 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 Okay, now we'll continue the review tomorrow, okay? So you will remember these words, Dudu. That would be all. Thank you so much for your time, Dudu. Goodbye, Dudu.